Do you hate cleaning? It could be just because you'd rather be doing something else, or maybe you don't even know how exactly to clean something. Here are 9 hacks to help make cleaning pain-free. All you need for this is one miracle ingredient. Pour Coke into your pan so that it covers the burnt portions. Leave it to sit overnight and then easily scrape away the burnt pieces and use a sponge to clean up. Are you always breaking things because of your slippery fingers? Just use a slice of bread to carefully pick up the micro shards of broken glass so you don't have to tiptoe around in fear of getting cut. Submerge your sponge in a bowl of water with some mild soap and microwave it for 3 30-second intervals to zap away bacteria. This handy hack works on dish sponges too. Make sure to use a spoon to transfer the sponge out of the water and leave it to cool as it will be very hot. Once it cools down, squeeze the sponge to take all the foundation residue off. Don't have a lint roller and you're always finding your hair or even your pet's hair all over your clothes? Just wrap some tape around your hand with the sticky side out and use it to pick up all the stray hair. Whether you're working on a craft project or went overboard with the eye glitter, all you need to clean it is some Play-Doh. Blot it over the glitter to quickly pick up any traces of it. Wrap a sponge around chopsticks and secure with a rubber band. The chopsticks will serve as a grip while you easily clean narrow neck bottles and jars. Clean off all the product residue and clumped hair from your brush by soaking it in hot water with some shampoo. Did something unexpectedly explode in your microwave? Put a few slices of lemon into a bowl of water and microwave for 2 minutes to easily wipe away the mess with a sponge. Are you having a hard time taking the sticker off your jar? Just grab some vegetable oil and a cotton pad, wipe it off and voila! Make cleaning much more bearable with these quick hacks. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.